Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting an intention. Resolve, not win. First, take a steady breath and name your feelings. Say, I feel, followed by one specific emotion. Then add the behavior. Describe what the other person did using concrete actions, not labels. Finally, state the need or boundary you want met. Once done, pause and invite a response. This sequence reduces defensiveness because it replaces accusation with observed facts and a clear request for change. You now construct the middle. Combine feeling, behavior, and need into one concise line. For example, I feel frustrated when meetings start late because I rely on that time. Would you agree we start on time? Explain why the behavior impacts you with a brief consequence, then offer a concrete request, one that's doable. Make sure to monitor your tone and pacing. A calm voice keeps the listener engaged. If they interrupt, gently ask for a moment to finish. You finish by confirming comprehension and inviting the other person's perspective. Can you tell me how you see this? Then propose a small, specific follow-up action and a timeline. Make sure to summarize any agreement allowed so both parties leave aligned. If the listener becomes defensive or the talk derails, calmly pause, suggest a break and a set time to revisit. Troubleshooting tip. If emotions spike, use a 5-minute calming pause and return with the same I statement framework.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.